Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. This is a really quick flip through of the April's album of the month. This is going to start, I think, April 19th, 2021. It's a little late. I know I had to stop editing the videos, so I'm going to resume editing the videos today, and hopefully, if all goes well, we'll start on Monday. But I will have linked below the video will be the special Amazon list for this. There'll be a few other stores where you can purchase this scrapbook album paper. And I also use the scripty papers, the new scripty papers in this album. So if you want to check that out, I'll have that link down below the video as well. But I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing, and I hope you're excited to start this. It'll be a couple of weeks of videos, not much. It's not a super hard album, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.